The news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (Khadc) passed its annual budget for the year 23-24 on the final day of the budget session on Wednesday. The projected expenditure stood at 253 crore 12 lakh 59,690, while the estimated revenue was pegged at 253 crore 12 lakh 4,610. It may be noted that the budget has a deficit of rupees 55,080. Earlier in the day, participating in the general discussion on the budget, Leader of Opposition in the Khadc, Kine, pointed out that the trend has been that projection and anticipation in the budget do not match with the actual estimates. In response to this, Council's Chief Executive Member, Khadc Aim, said that the present EC will try its best to improve the financial situation.
Ia ketika seperti kenapa dipakai di bawah manfaat beli komisen cek council kerana juga kerja saja ini kerana juga kerja betul ini dan saya kat dikenal bahawa ini buat dia bagian summit dari berai yang si beli komisen di New York berai